How to change reset your Instagram password. So first of all, open the Instagram application, then click on the three lines, and you will see options like this, account center, and you will see options like this, password and security options, and click on the change password, and click on your profile, and type your current password, and type new, and re-enter password and change now. And other option like this, you don't have a password, so click on the forget your password, and we send the email like this code, and open your email box, and confirm now, and you show the like new password setup and change now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.